Hey there! So today I'm working with my tarot cards and I wanted just to show you a few things. So the first thing I like to do with my cards before I do a reading for myself or for anyone else is to dust off any energy that may already be on the cards. There's several different things that I might do, but I might physically wipe them like this. But doing that physically wipes off any energy around the card. Another thing I could do just to lay them out and while holding the intention to clean them. So those are a few ways to prep your deck before you do your reading. Begin to think about what you want your reading to be on. If you're having someone else, you're doing someone else's reading, have them have their intention in their mind when they cut the deck. I'm gonna go ahead and split this into 3 packets. Packets I chose, so this one's the one in the center, so it's gonna be the one we work with. These ones can get set off to the side. And so we just are gonna set them out side by side the way they came out. When you pull them out, you're gonna wanna make sure that you don't flip them over. If they come out right side up versus upside down, it means different things. So just make sure you're flipping them like pages in a book as opposed to like a notepad that flips up or something. So we have a 22 card reading, and it's intended to answer my questions as I read it. So the first question that comes to mind, my current partner and I are going to last a long time and be happy together. And so with that question in mind, I'm going to look at these first 3 cards and see, I have the 9 of Discs, the Prince of Cups, and the 8 of Cups. So cups are a really beautiful suit. They're a really beautiful suit. It's the water symbol. It's like giving and receiving. So we'll read about cups a little bit. So the Prince of Cups. On this card, it's labeled gain. This meaning suggests living in splendor, comfort, enjoyment of all that money can buy, specifically a big check, high finance, and executive salary. Can also be read as any check from the state such as Social Security, welfare, unemployment, civil service, tax refund, disability, compensation, someone employed by the government or state. 9 of Pentacles is a big check you can expect, tax refund, stock dividend, or a new moneyed project. So yeah, I keep getting these work messages when I'm asking about my love life, which is weird. Combinations, it's surrounded by cups. With the 9 of Cups, no, Prince of Cups, and the 8 of Cups. It means both personal and professional fulfillment. So, asking about my relationship. Will I be happy and will we last a long time? Well, we'll be financially stable, so I'll be pretty happy actually, at least in that sense. The Prince of Cups. Excited for that one. The symbolism, a young man going out to meet life, neither overly aggressive nor fearful, but with firm resolve. Coloring, medium coloring, usually blue-gray or green eyes, from sandy to medium brown hair. Depiction, a person of above coloring. So just saying, that is Shaggy's description, he's medium coloring because he's, white, pretty white, pale in the winter, and he gets very tan in the summer. And not like, he doesn't get like very, very tan, but he definitely picks up tan in the summer. And he has green brown eyes and sandy colored hair. So generally a young man just starting out, beginning a career, determined but aware that the future, the distant mountain peaks, holds many obstacles, uncertainty, examinations, getting that first job, etc. So that's interesting that this is about a young man setting out on life, because Cody just got his first job a couple days ago, and when I did the first reading asking about it, I got the Knight of Discs card, which is joining the ranks of the gainfully employed. So that's so weird. Like, is every description about money, or am we just getting like these? I just keep getting these when I'm asking about our relationship. So weird. So the next card is the Eight of Indolences, or the Eight of Cups, Indolence. It suggests that one has had material success and is now looking for personal gratification or spiritual fulfillment. His walking away from the cups doesn't necessarily indicate abandonment, just a searching for other things. It means double love, reciprocation, the feelings mutual. Symbolizes equality, value for value, as above, so below, balance, emotional equilibrium. He has the material advantages and is now looking for something, more likely someone, to share them with. Rhymed message. Eight of Cups is fair play and romance, and affairs of the heart rules out chance. Let's see if any of the combinations match up with what I have. It says if it's near death and surrounded by cups or pentacles, it symbolizes being reborn psychologically or spiritually, like a rehabilitated alcoholic, criminal, or drug addict. Which, oh my goodness. So I do have death in here too. Death is right here, which is really not that far away. So I think this is saying, if I'm right, that like we're making money, and this might only be this card and not like the disc, the Knight of Discs, because I have it pulled out in the book right now. So like we'll be successfully making money and be able to have everything we want. This says a man starting out on endeavors, with my honey's description, because I was asking if this relationship would work out and if it would last, and so it describes him. And then 8, indolence, which would be like the future, because in my mind, if I'm looking at it in 3 pieces, it's like past, at the beginning of our relationship, present, how it is now, and future, which is that we're going to each have an income set up and flowing in and filling up our savings, and we'll have other cups that aren't financial to fill, spiritual and love needs. I feel like with my relationship with Cody, there's definitely a layer that I don't have access to, that he doesn't open up all the way, because he doesn't do sharing or has had that interaction before. So I think that might be what we're coming to. So I think that's what I'll ask about next for the next 3 set of cards is, how does the part I play in Cody's life relate to his foremost goals after attaining autonomy? How do my roles affect his foremost goals after attaining autonomy? So the first one is pleasure. 6 of Cups. Another thing I want to say too is, when interpreting the card, something I always think about are like the colors in the card and what chakras that they go with, what those colors make me think and feel. and any symbols, you know, what zodiac symbols, what planets those relate to, and things like that. So just things like that to keep in mind to help you interpret the cards. But I think you get the idea, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more videos like this, just go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below so I really know. But yeah, let me know what you guys want. I'm happy to make videos on pretty much anything. So let me know. Have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine. Bye.